We recently talked about some great foods for keeping the skin young. Did you watch that video? In today's video, you will learn a juice recipe to fight acne. The teenage years come, and with them, the feared pimples. Isn't it true? We tend to think that this problem ends as we grow older, but many women and men still suffer from acne during adulthood. Women especially suffer during their periods, when the hormones are in full bloom. Did you know that the leading cause for pimples is the excessive production of sebum by the sebaceous glands? The pores get clogged, inflamed, and voila, pimples. But there are some steps to avoid, or at least reduce, the appearance of acne, such as the aloe vera soap we taught you in this video to eliminate acne and wrinkles. Besides cleaning, exfoliating, and using specific cosmetics to treat the issue, your diet can also be helpful, and by a lot. So why not bet on this detox juice? It cleanses the body and so improves acne. Check out this recipe focused on fighting pimples. Juice of 2 lemons, 10 drops extra virgin olive oil, 1 glass of water, honey and ice cubes to taste. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. How to make this juice? It is super easy. Combine all ingredients in a blender or just stir everything with a spoon. It is important to drink 2 glasses a day of this juice. This juice is good because extra virgin olive oil is incredible to reduce inflammation of pimples. Lemon detoxifies the skin, cleaning and reducing inflammation. Easy to do, isn't it? Try it and share your experience with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.